guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas red velvet cake roll. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then to make the filling, in a medium bowl add the softened cream cheese and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth, about a minute. And add in the egg and milk, and mix them in on low speed until they're combined. Scrape down the sides if you need to, and continue mixing it until it's combined. Line a half-sheet pan with aluminum foil and make sure it's also coming up the sides. And grease it well with nonstick cooking spray. And pour the filling into the pan. And spread it out until it's even. And set it aside for now. Then to make the red velvet cake batter, in a small bowl add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the eggs and beat it on a medium speed for 1 minute, and then beat it on high speed for another 5 minutes. Then with the mixer running on medium speed, gradually add in the sugar and brown sugar, and continue beating it on medium speed for another minute. Then turn off the mixer. Then add in the canola or vegetable oil, buttermilk, apple cider vinegar, vanilla extract, and red food coloring, and mix them in until they're thoroughly combined. And if you would like the color a little darker, you can add additional food coloring. Then sift in the dry ingredients and mix them in on low speed until nearly combined but not fully incorporated. And finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients, but don't overmix because you don't want to lose too much air. And slowly and carefully pour the batter into the pan that has the filling in it. And spread it out until it's even. Bang it a few times to level it out, and bake it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While it's baking, dust a clean kitchen towel really well with powdered sugar. And once the cake is ready, carefully flip it over onto the towel. Peel off the aluminum foil. And carefully roll it up using the towel as your guide. And place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. If you keep the towel wrapped around it, it will take much longer to cool. Then to make the cream cheese frosting, in a small bowl, add the softened cream cheese and beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Then sift in the powdered sugar and add in the vanilla extract and milk. Mix them in on low speed at first, and once they're combined, beat it on high speed for another 30 seconds. Then add a spoonful of the frosting into 2 separate bowls. Then color them red and green. And add more milk into the remaining frosting. And mix it in until it's combined. And place the colored frosting into 2 separate plastic bags. Once the cake roll is cooled completely, carefully transfer it to your serving plate. Pour the cream cheese glaze over the top of the roll and spread it out until it's covered in it. Cut off the corner of the plastic bag that has the colored frosting in it, and pipe the frosting on top of the cake roll. And finish it off with a dusting of powdered sugar. You can add some to the plate too if you like. And that's how to make a Christmas red velvet cake roll. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.